Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be giving you guys just a quick little recipe on how to use sea moss gel. I get a lot of people asking me what are some good ways to incorporate in everyday lifestyle. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm using it in just a regular smoothie that you can drink every morning. So I start off with 2 cups of mixed fruit. I have below the type of fruits that I've used for this. Preferably these are frozen fruits that I've been able to thaw out. Next, I'm going to have 1 cup of almond coconut milk. This is an almond coconut milk blend and it's by the brand Silk. The next ingredient I'm going to have, of course, is the Chandra Co. Raw Sea Moss Gel. And then last but not least, of course, my Manuka honey, which is really good. It has a lot of great benefits for the flu season. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and add my 2 cups of mixed fruit into my blender. And then I'm going to go ahead and get ready to add in, of course, my milk, which is once again the blend of almond milk and coconut milk. I take my raw sea moss gel. I'm only going to use roughly about 1 tablespoon. You can do 2 tablespoons, but for me, I'll just take 1 tablespoon. That's enough for me. So I'll make sure I go ahead and tap that inside. And then my favorite, Manuka honey. This is actually, man, I have to make a separate video for Manuka honey because it's one of my favorite things to use, and I've been trying so hard to stay away from any type of cough syrups or any type of pills to treat myself and cure myself. So I'm going to do a video to let you guys know the benefits of Manuka honey and why it should be in your smoothies and just in your daily recipes. Now you're prepared to go ahead and blend that bad boy up. It's really simple. This recipe, it doesn't take too much thought process. It's not rocket science. It's just 1, 2, 3. And just because you add in powerful ingredients like sea moss gel and Manuka honey, it just makes it such an explosive, nice lightweight smoothie that you can drink every day. And don't be afraid to add in any extra ingredients to your smoothie. Customize it. Make it work for you. You know your body. You know every day what you need. All you have to do is just add in your 1 or 2 teaspoons of sea moss gel, and I promise you are going to see the positive effects of it. And I'm just going to make sure I get all those chunks of fruit. Sometimes it can get caught in the blades, so I'm just going to make sure, just to be on the safe side, make sure we get all those nice juicy fruits blended in. And voila, we are complete. You have your sea moss smoothie and it has so much juicy fruits, and I hope you enjoy this simple recipe and leave me some feedback. Let me know if this is something that you enjoy. If you want to see more recipes, anything else I should be doing, let me know, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.